You clipped my wings before I could soar, a broken sparrow on the mat of your door. I trusted the sky to cradle my cries, but your shameful lies fell blocking my sky. How can you kill what you swore to defend? A love that you claimed would never end. When I try to fly, you pulled me down. Now I'm lost, no direction, feathers scattered all over the ground. You whispered promises soft as the breeze, but tore through my soul like a violent disease. I dreamed of the clouds, the stars in my sight. You crushed all my hopes with a single fucking swipe. How can you kill what you swore to defend? A love that you claimed would never end. When I try to fly, you pull me down. Now I'm lost, no direction, feathers scattered like ashes on the floor. Every beat of my heart is an echo no more. I gave you my trust, my voice, my song, but you silenced it all. Said I was the one wrong. How can you kill what you swore to defend? A love that you claimed you would cherish to the end. When I try to fly,